Good morning, folks. This is Shippy the Explorer, still in Jamaica, folks. Today's video is coming from beautiful Cherry Gardens, and what a cool, not sunny day, foggy, cloud filled. I'm telling you, it's but today's activities. Welcome to this station, and I always trust that you're okay. And today is Thursday, and the 17th of July, and the year is going fast, folks. Hopefully you're getting your business done and all that. So welcome to this, well, it's a dreary, cloud-filled day, but we have sunshine on the ground. Mango season is almost finished in my household, but look at that, still finding mangoes on the ground. Yeah, one like it's fruit for the breakfast, I'm telling you. But we have a project going on. It never seems to stop on the projects that we have, and so look at that. It feels like even rain is coming today. But project today is we're sanding down to get painting done, and look like the rain is coming, brother. The brother is on the thing with his turban, look like Pastor Bedwood. And he's sanding. You feel the rain? Yes. Oh boy. You never know that. Well, we'll see. All right, so he's up the top sanding, but so the project is to paint the fascia of the building and to make the place look better. In the meantime, that's the project, the new project. So hopefully you have new projects going on in your household, and so you just have to keep going, even when it's a threat for rain. We welcome the rain, although we have the work to do, but you just have to work with the elements. Wow. And I guess there was a better day. Well, here we are. So we continue to explore, and we have the projects around the house. So if the rain falls, we just get into the storeroom, and because we have that to clean out. So we're trying to make space just in case. This house, you tell you when you build in Jamaica, you have to be mindful of how your ordinance, how close you build to the fence, and somehow we must have built too close to the fence, and so there's a possibility we might have to take a wall down. So here we are. You look, that piece of wall that's sticking out there might have to go. So we'll see, but as you see, we are in the shade and among more fruits on the property. Fruits there and fruits there, avocado hanging on the branch. So life continues from beautiful Cherry Gardens, Jamaica. Stay tuned for more highlights. Well, let's show you this storeroom. What's going on here? It's all this mess is coming out, and the family had built shelves for drapery business, and now Shippy the Explorer is about to clear out all these shelves to make space. So project from the hills of St. Andrew. This is Shippy Explorer, exploring, always exploring for you and tell you, bring you situational information. Stay tuned. Well, since Shippy the Explorer was is also a trained construction technologist, well, they didn't know. Show you that with hammer in hand and a wrecking bar, this is a wrecking bar, we can do a lot of work in getting these things done. So since I have time, I'm just just demonstrating how I'm just removing all these shelves here and for today. Started yesterday, and but somebody named my uncle did a wonderful job in constructing this thing, and now 30 years after, I'm removing it because of different problems. So here we are, wrecking bar, hammer. And as you pull these things, it's best to just remove the nails, because you don't want to step on these things, you know. So straighten out the nails and push them back. And then you pull them out, clear the wood. As I said, you don't want to step on any of these things, especially when there is hole. So the wood is clear, you can throw this out. When you have a pile outside. Can see well, it's right. So the process continues, and so we come back and let's remove from the top as best as possible. Wow, probably need a ladder for this. So I'm watching my head really, and watching these nails so that I don't drag my face on them. So I think I'm being careful as best as possible. Take it up of the way. You see, almost fell in my head. Now, well, I think it's just catch my finger a little bit. So basically that's what I'm doing. I'm just removing those shelves, the shelving, and it's a repeated problem. So I just have to be mindful. Trust me, I'm trying to be careful. So Shippy the Explorer has work cut out for him, and see the project is to clear this area. Just like how I removed this section, and it's all cleared now. So as I continue to bang and hammer and remove nails, Shippy the Explorer saying, stay tuned for more highlights for today's activities. Talk to you. Okay, so let's start roll it. Eh?
Yes, sir.
You roll it, sir?
Yeah,
Let's scrape it off.
yeah.
Okay.
After a while, it have a catch color.
Huh.
I get that.
Right. I think. You like the man who can't afraid for height. Alright, so brother, rolling now.
You know, look on where you do your roll it in, you know, look on. Which key?
Yeah, look, of course.
Okay.
Move again, move on.
Yeah.
Go down clean way.
Well, if you look, you see the gap, see the hole, the paint have to squeeze in, like, or if it's a dirty spot, then you take it out. Okay. All right. Continue with more well, we can't say problems, but the expert is here, Mr. I think he come from Belmont here too.
Ramon.
Mr. Rammer?
Yeah, Ramon.
Yeah, Mr. Rammer is here to fix the AC windy system. We don't know what's going on. Yeah, it's not cooling down. This brand new system was installed last year. We installed it, no?
Yes.
And it hasn't been used for more than one time and still giving trouble. So I don't know if Mr. Lizard got into the tube. You want a ladder? Or are you okay?
No, that's okay. I'm just going to pull this up right.
Okay. Right. So it's always good to have the expert here. I'll be here suffering, wondering all day. So let's go and see if we can pick it up better. Since Mr. Bird is still up the top. Oh, they're melting.
Burn.
Oh, that means it's a shorts?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. So right away he found where the problem is. So the wire got burnt. Huh. Okay. So these Wendy system, I'm not even sure if they're made in China or whatever. They're pretty good when they work. But as you see, there's an electrical problem.
Has a specific code for it.
Yeah.
What the CL really tells is that the compressor is not getting any current.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I come outside
Yeah.
and realize that something burnt.
Yeah. So if it's burnt, that means there's too much power?
No, it probably was too close to the AC pipe. So when you get cold,
Yeah.
cold and hot,
Yeah.
probably the tape deteriorates.
Oh, Jesus.
Because the wire that came with the unit
Yeah.
wasn't tall enough to go straight to the unit.
Oh.
Yeah, so we have to join it.
So you have some now?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's every time you own a house, it's always a problem, folks. To keep the maintenance. When I talk to myself here now. Doing part of the recording. I talk back to myself and things. Yeah. Do situational videos and travel and things.
Oh.
And family genealogy. So far so good. The AC unit seems to be running, and Mr. Baga is the expert today. Oh, whoops! Oh, Jesus! You'll knock yourself out. More problems? Are you okay?
I'm solving the issue.
Eh?
Solve the issue already.
Oh, gee.
One feel the breeze inside.
Oh. So it really had so it had a major problem.
Yeah.
Oh Jesus.
Feel cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. says apart from electrical, it's was something else too?
No, it's electrical.
It's electrical.
Right.
Right.
There was something burned. It burned that part.
Okay. But I was surprised because I mean, this is the second time I really want to use it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, from the time you use it there,
Yeah, from that time.
and it leak.
Yeah. When the water was backing up inside.
Yeah. So it must have been start burning from then. So these are not cased in the electrical lines, and right there. So better you than me. I would never be able to fix that. I was just thinking all day.
It's just a profession. It's just a profession.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll wrap up about this.
Yeah. Okay. So you can see, yes, the unit is running now. So the problem was bigger than I thought, folks. Bigger than I thought. Yeah. So it's nothing Shippy Explorer could have been fixed, even as a builder. I'll tell you. So we'll just call in the expert in, folks. That's what we'll call the video today, maybe, because a lot of times you have situations and you can't really figure them out for yourself. No one of us is an expert in all aspect of life, so you have to call in the experts many times, and so that's what you have to do. Whether it's well, you're not a doctor. Well, if you're not a doctor, well, you don't want to pretend like you're a doctor. Just call in the doctor and go to the doctor. And so you have to rely on the experts. So happy the technician came and the sun is out now, so the situation is brightening up and things are looking up. And so keeping the house and maintaining the house is expensive, and it's something that you have to just live with. You just have to live with it many times. So we have the painters, and we had the AC guy, and well, I wish I could get a mechanic to keep this car running, but that's it. So the painters say they're looking for lunch, and they're raiding the kitchen, and so you find food. Find food. You find food in my heat like bacons. Barry, find lunch. So. Huh? No, if you don't want to eat it tonight, they're going to eat a patty. No. I was gonna have the patty. Yeah. Yeah. So wanna eat the bread and thing? Okay. Alright. Okay. The bread are cooling down in the coolers. This one works. The guy said it was an electrical problem. Yeah. Yeah. Electrical problems. That means it was bigger than me. Bigger problem than I thought. So may I ask you, brother, Where? No, I mean, I see them in New York or in United States. These
You
are.
have better technology for mosquito, like the UV light that attracts.
Oh, no,
mosquitoes.
that waste of money. Some of them work, some of them don't work. We bought two since the other day, and not one of them work. Not even one fly kill. So the UV, my daughter, and it's my daughter bought it, and hers work, and the one she bought for us, not good. So these, we need to bring these to America, folks. Mosquito swatters, electrical. Well,
Yes, you man, do it already.
big problem out there, man.
Indoor.
Huh?
You think indoor already?
Also a big problem. Yeah.
Working around here,
Right.
so everything is okay.
Cool.
Alright,
So,
6,000 is okay?
yeah. All right. Thank you. I'll give you my card.
Yes,
Is able to
yes.
subscribe to Ship It
No.
Explorer.
No, never.
So you can see you're on the work.
Yes, I
I
am.
need to get your card too.
It's in the car.
Yeah. I appreciate the Shippy the Explorer. You said 6, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. The Explorer.
Ah, this?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright.
Which one that Dave said?
You, that's you, man.
Oh yeah.
Yes, that's
Enjoy.
Alright.
Okay.
Yes, I will do.
Oh, come out and get your card. The card. So the control, all those control on the thing, it makes any sense?
Yes, for different purposes.
But I just need to keep it on
On cool?
cool.
Alright, so it's on cool now.
Mm-hmm.
Right? The temperature is 20 degrees. So if you want to turn it down a bit more,
Yeah, that's not.
yeah, and this will turn it up.
Mhm.
If you want to change the mode, we don't need to change the mode. But if you want it to swing, it's swinging now. But if you want to stop swing,
Right.
you see, it's telling that it's pointing way up.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, so me changing the direction. The direction are where it swings. Look on the louver. See the louver
Okay.
moving? Yeah. And that's when it swings. So when you press it and you see all of the lashes pointing, yeah, that means it is swinging. See, the louver is swinging now.
Right.
Yeah, so you can leave it on that. I don't
Yes.
think nothing else really bothers you. If you want it to blow a little harder, you just press the turbo.
Okay.
Alright.
So all this is what?
All right, so this is how you interfere with the system. You don't really need this.
Don't really need
No.
that.
This is when you want to clean back how it's supposed to spin. You don't need this.
Okay.
The LED is when you want the LED to come off. So it's you're sleeping in the night. In
yes.
the night, yes.
Ah,
You
you
don't
don't-
want the LED to stay
Yeah.
on. You just turn it
Turn
off.
it off.
And I guess you know the OK button. This is a timer now. This is when you want. Suppose you want to turn on probably a 2 hour.
Yes.
You select on this until you see the hours come up on this.
Yeah.
So probably an example. See there. It's on. So you set it now. So that is 1 hour. That is an hour and a half. That's 2 hours. You understand?
But suppose I want it to run, just make it run.
Straight. You just turn it off. See, it's off now.
Yeah.
Just press the button and it
Yeah.
comes off.
All right. Okay.
Right? Yeah, and that's good.
Good. So the battery good. Yeah.
Yes, man. The battery is okay.
Yeah.
And that's you.
All right.
Yes. So just
17.
temperature is the only thing that you need to
Yeah. This and the screen is back.
I see where you're having this one on 20. I think it's 28.
Yeah.
That's too high.
Too high?
Yes.
Too warm?
Yes, it's too warm. You don't think it's too warm?
No, it kind
Okay
of.
for you?
Yeah, comfortable.
Okay.
Oh, you input back the screen, right?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. All right.
I did lock off everything.
All right.
Car.
I'll get your card.
Yeah, I'm gonna check.
Yeah. So that's it. Blowing. Because I need to get his card because because I had to track you down. I had to track you down calling United States. So you must be a very important man. Call United States to call back to Jamaica.
I'm looking for my wallet. Like I left my wallet home.
Oh gee.
The card is in the wallet and I'm going to walk with it in the wallet.
Let me get a paper and pencil. So you say left is okay. So it's drive. Oh, it sounds like an electrical car. All right. So that's it. Comes and it fixed, and we hopefully don't expect any more problem for now. So right. So here we are. That's it. Close of one problem. All right. And Mr. Ron is down the street. I'll leave the gate open because Broughton says coming. Or close it. Let's close it or sure. Okay, he soon come. So one problem is down and we have another assignment, and so just to make the place looks better. The life that Shippy Explorer lives is always exciting and always something to solve. So we continue this day. Well, as you can see, it's a regular thing. You have a house to paint, especially wood, and you just have to scrape off the bad peels, bad lifts, and then you paint it over. And so that's how it's done. And Greta says he's in a safe spot where he's okay. And see Lizard then looking at you. Good. Lot of rules, you always hold on, right? Yeah. Make sure you hold on. One hand always need to hold on to something. So I'm never give you a brush, you cut the cut underneath there. Okay. Let's get Barry doing some scraping, and then he sands. And then the other gentleman, Greta, comes around and put on the first coat. So we're getting things done today, folks. Another dull moment in the tropics. Not a dull moment. Later on we can show, well, we can show right now what it looks like. Show you that it's looking much better already. Much better. better. We're looking better. We don't supposed to use a double jeopardy in language. The English language is driving us crazy. I'm telling you, Shippy the Explorer is not an expert, but know enough. So there we are. So brother is painting, putting on the first coat, and you can see what it looks like. Here we are. The house is looking much better already. The dark capping is metal, so we don't paint that. If once you paint that, then you'll have problems with keeping it clean, because the paint will lift and start to deteriorate. So thanks for being with us so far, and if we have any more videos to come up, we'll show you a situational video. And this is what I'm recommending you to do is, I'm saying, call in the expert, because don't one of us are expert in all the fields in this world. Here we are, set at 17 degrees Celsius, and it is cool. And so we're back to normal to some degree, and you can say we can live comfortably in the house. So, well, that's it. I think that's it for today. You have bear with us through the problem and through the solution, and so we are back in business. So take care of yourself and others, and until next time, this is Shippy the Explorer saying, call in the expert. Talk to you.